Hey guys, today we will be unboxing the Microsoft Mouse 3500. Let's begin. Okay, so here's the box here. It's kind of tedious to unbox, so I will just skip ahead. Okay, so I managed to peel back the stickers. Oh wait, I did it. Okay, I finally opened the box up. So yeah, we got some instructions on the box itself involving the mouse. Okay, so we also have the mouse and USB transceiver. It's slightly different to the point that the flap on the new one opens up for the USB, while on the old one you have to press a button. In addition, there's a single flap. It's kind of like better designed on the newer 3500 compared to the older 3500. And yeah, there's less moving parts on the new one. We also have some paperwork. Not really too important unless those mouse break, which is very unlikely. The mouse has a left, right, and middle click button, as well as a scroll key. They're very responsive, although you should never buy one of these mouses for gaming because of the low latency requirements. Like this would be one of those like usually used mouse. So what do you guys think about this mouse? Leave a comment down below and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.